Hey guys, good morning. So, could you guess where I am right now? Give you a second, put in the comments. All right, if you guessed already, I'm on the Cavalier. We were supposed to be on the new Buccaneer this morning, but unfortunately, due to weather circumstances, we won't be going on the 12-hour. But we got another 2 4-hours for you guys. So, let's see what we catch today. We got some surprises for you too. Come on.
Alright y'all, so I don't think the camera's going to do this justice, but here's what we've got for waves today.
Fishing spot. We're in between the jetties of the ship channel here in Galveston. So Chris is already.
You look on the other side of the jetty. Really wavy over there.
Yeah, over there on the other side is of the jetty. It's bad. That's why the other trip was canceled today. But over here you have Jay showing our subscriber Logan. Logan, say hi. So Logan came to see us all the way from Ohio. She loved our channel so much she wanted to come fishing, so it was amazing. So let's see what this day has in store for us. If you guys ever want to come fishing with us, reach out. We're up for it. So let's see what we catch. Alright, so guys, Chris didn't know he had anything on, but you know, we're gonna donate to the bait pump so we can get some hopefully bigger ones. So we'll see. Alright guys, looks like Chris is on one. Did you set the hook?
Yeah, he's on there. I'm trying to drag a little bit.
What is it?
Calf top. Good size? Come here, bad boy. Yeah. Come on, slime. I'll take it.
There you go.
Y'all got it.
Alright guys, so Jay is on. I think we might hit that record gaff top.
I don't know. Record hardhead. No, that's the record hardhead right here.
Oh, that's what I meant, the hardhead, yeah.
I don't know.
Stingray, sheep's head.
Stingray. Start taking bets. What do y'all think? Stingray.
Redfish.
Redfish, baby.
Could be a stingray. Keep that line tight. That's most important.
Yeah.
There you go. And pop slide for a second. He's moving sporadic though.
Yeah, he is.
It's gonna be a nice little fight. That's for sure.
He's gonna run. Small run.
Pull
He's
in.
gonna run.
Come on, Jay.
Get it up, dude. You got it.
I don't know. It's pretty powerful.
Yeah, it is.
You better move.
Drags that pretty good.
Yeah, it's as tight as I can get it. And it's still taking drag. Here, come over this. Come over this.
Chris.
There you go.
Redfish.
Red. For red. Go over those.
Keep on going. Keep on going. All the way down.
Watch out.
Through. He's right there. He's right there. Both sides. Right down. Straight down.
Oh. Let's go! Woo!
Finally.
I might have been a little late to the game, but I got that beast.
See.
For her first guppy of the day. Oh, She actually got a good size one.
It's big boy.
Oh, a fat one.
Decade!
I got it. Here, hold this.
No, you're supposed to be filming me.
Oh.
Like he's supposed to be doing this, and he's trying to do everything else, guys. All right, there we go. So, can you show Logan the spines?
Yeah. Come on, dude. Alright, so in their thing, if you look, you can see that little bar.
Oh yeah. So if that gets you.
That gets into you, it's gonna burn a little bit.
Alright. Alright guys, again, Mr. Show Off today.
I think so.
It's gonna be the same thing, right?
Yeah, buddy! Woo!
Grew up a little bit.
He grew up a little bit. He hit his teenage years.
Alright, there he goes. Alright guys, he's on again. Oh, what did he get this time?
Y'all just call me the hardhead king today. Good grief.
Yo, tell your friend to get out from under there and quit putting that hard head on your hook.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap for part 1 of today. So we're done fishing for now. Jay got the red, Chris got a gaff top, so still thinking about how we're gonna cook it up, but you're gonna see in a little bit. But everybody is
A bunch of hardheads too that were really awesome with some black. But I had more fun with the hardheads.
okay. You want to tell that to everybody, or
Yeah, I was having fun with hardheads, man. I was in Hardhead City.
yeah, you heard him, guys. He had fun with the hardheads. Huh? Oh look, Logan caught a fish. Caught a hardhead. Got yourself a little catfish. I don't want to. Yeah, those are the kinds that can get you. So yeah. Well, good job. All right, guys. So earlier this morning, before the first trip, Chris went ahead and put down a crab trap. So we're gonna see if he caught anything.
Alright, so first 4 hours, let's see if we got anything. Oh, good grief.
What in the world?
Not what we wanted, guys. Oh, not what I want. Dadgummit.
Freaking hardhead.
That's a good catch. At least it's something. Oh,
Hey, at least it's not a game fish where you had to worry about it. All right, let that guy go.
come on, silly. That's not for you, buddy. Silly catfish. That's for crabs. Go back down.
Sometimes it bees like that. So recently we had somebody asked if they clean the fish. So right over here are the cleaning stations where they will, and they were here today. So this is where you could get your fish cleaned, guys. Hey guys, so we're back. Part 2, let's go.
Alright, so this second half of the trip is going to be really foggy. Look at this. Normally we can see the island, but today not so much.
Alright guys, I think Chris is on.
Yeah, something small, I think. Small bait. Yeah. Yeah, something small. A guppy.
Maybe hard hand. There you
Yeah.
go.
Kelly, you got a visitor.
It's all like a little doorbell.
Yeah, I know, a little something.
Really little buzzer. Alright, Kristen's on. Gaff top. And they got a gaff top. Alright, here. Hold that, hold that, hold that.
Let me loosen it up.
What was it?
It's a fish.
Yeah,
No, we all.
Alright guys, Chris is on again. Huh? This one? No, Chris is on it. He was on his. No, I think he's.
Hard head.
Alright guys, the gentleman in the corner just caught a gas top. But Captain Pro was so excited. He was just like, yeah!
You want to keep them? What numbers? They're a lot longer. What numbers on your table? Like a cell? 49? Oh! What the?
Alright, so Chris was handlining something and we got the rod. Somebody had dropped a rod in. So we just got it.
So give the fish. I didn't want to run it back, man. So can it keep down?
Alright guys, Chris is on.
Oh yeah, that's a hard head. What are you talking about? This is a hard head. Clicker. Is that red fish number 2? Maybe. Let's get you around this pole right here.
Great job.
Alright guys, we're back over here after the second 4 hour to check this crab trap yet again. Hopefully it's not just a catfish again. Oh, take that back. It's 2 catfish this time.
Alright, so crab trap ain't working today.
So,
Whatever.
this is more like a catfish trap.
Yeah, no kidding.
This is 1 earlier, 2 this time. What a day of catches.
Hard heads.
Hardhead 1, hardhead 2.
Alright, well, whatever.
Alright y'all, so it's the next day. These guys have been sitting overnight in a saltwater brine, but we got the 2 redfish and 14 good gaff tops yesterday. So, it's crazy. It was 80 degrees yesterday on the boat. Today it is now 55 degrees and should warm back up in the next 2 or 3 days. But anyway, the sun is out and I'm gonna go ahead and get these guys all filleted up, and we'll see y'all when we cook these guys up.
Hey guys, taking a peek in my kitchen. I know it's been a while. I'm not going to go into too depth in what I'm making because we have a video of that already. So we will link that video in the description at the end of this video as well on how I make this dish. But this is one of our favorite dishes that we make based on something we eat at one of our favorite restaurants. It's a blackened redfish with a crawfish and shrimp sauce, and I make it with some mashed potatoes. So since Logan came here all the way from Ohio, we've invited her over after we caught some amazing fish that you guys saw, and cooking this stuff up. She's coming over and we're gonna enjoy a meal. So yeah.
Alright, so what we'll do is at the very end of this video here, we'll put a direct link to this video where she makes this black and redfish. And we'll also put it in the description as well. But it's really good. It's definitely one of our household favorites. Recommend trying it out. But anyway, here's that fish. Look how pretty that looks. But that's the star right here.
Alright guys, so we're all done. So like we said, the recipe for this is found in that video. We're going to go ahead and
put it at the end of this video and in the description. But we appreciate you guys for joining us. And we'll see y'all on the next adventure. Definitely make this. They all said it was good. And enjoy.